Hey there, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I make videos about technique, but mostly about the philosophy of being a photographer. And I've been asked over and over again, when am I going to have some kind of mentoring or workshops and these kind of things, and a Patreon. So this video is about that. If you want to, if you're part of this community and you want to contribute monetarily as it would be and get some more out of it, then I'm going to break down the new Patreon I'm just starting. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see something else here or what you think. You can also reach out to me, of course. If this is your first video you're watching, you probably don't want to join the Patreon yet. So maybe try a different video right here. And if you like what you see, come on back. So let's get to it. So again, I've been asked a million times, when am I going to do some kind of Patreon or Ko-fi or this and that? And we were doing some workshops in New York City, and I am doing those again. So as of this publication, there is a workshop running, and you'll see a link to that in the description here, as well to the link to the Patreon. And I will keep workshops going because I think that people really do love that hands-on. However, I know a lot of you are not here in New York, so I figured this is a way I can work with you remotely, and we'll see where we can go. So anyways, let's look at the different tiers. We've got Shutter Priority, which is the most basic tier. This is kind of, you're just helping out the channel. You're going to get access to the Discord server, which you can access the Discord server even if you do not join the Patreon. But as a fanule, as it would be, you'll immediately get Discord privileges, like uploading images and being able to chat in some of the rooms that new people can't chat in. So if you don't have the funds to support, but you still want to join the Discord, you can do that. You'll just have to be an active and good member of the Discord to get some of the extra functions of it. Next level up, at $5 a month, you will have access to the Discord as noted. You'll get a shout out. You will also get access to the videos early, which is great. You know, you'll get to watch the videos before everybody else. You can feel special about it. Maybe hang out at the water cooler the day before and be like, by the way, did you see Daniel's video? Oh, you haven't seen it yet? You must not be an Aperture Priority member. All right, so beyond that, Auto ISO, which is the next level up for $10, you get all the same stuff, but you also get access to something I'm starting now, which is my vlog. It's a kind of a private diary that I'm starting to keep. I'm working on some projects, things that, because I think a lot of times people, when they watch YouTubers or podcasters or whatever you want me to do, however I want to define myself, you just see us there talking to the screen like this and this perfectly thing. This vlog is going to be real loose and what I'm actually thinking each day, and you'll see a lot of things I'll start and then not finish, and maybe you'll encourage me to finish them. So the vlog is going to be really personal and something I had to really think hard about doing, but I feel like it'll be really cool for those who want to be involved at that level. At the full manual level, which is the $15 level, you'll get access to all that as well. In addition to that, you will get discounts for the in-person workshops and courses. I'm also working on an online course, so that'll be down the road a bit, but you'll get so if you are local, this might be a good one for you, or plan on being local sometime, because you will get discounts. Beyond that, there's going to be a monthly Q&A, a private Q&A that I'm going to do on Discord, and you'll have access to that at the $15 level. Now we're getting into the mentorship levels. This is for people who want to take their photography, probably people who want to do it for money and want to take it to the next level. So this is definitely an investment. These are a little bit more expensive, but I think that they should be helpful for a lot of people. Pick the one that you think is best for you. You can always swap them around as you progress. So the first level is level 1 mentorship. This is $35 a month. Of course, you get everything from the full manual setting, and then you will get a chance to send me an email a month. Now, right, people are like, why would I send you an email? Right, I get between 30 and 50 emails a day, believe it or not. A lot of them are just like, what's this product you used? What's this? What's that? I try to answer them. I usually don't. If you have emailed me and I haven't answered you, that's because I get swamped with emails. And what I have to do is effectively just drop them all into the no red pile after if I don't have time to read them. I can't get that backed up. This is going to put you on a priority. If you can send me an email, it could be an image you want me to critique. It could be a proposal that you're writing for a job that you want me to go over. It could be a technical question, something I can answer in a reasonable email once per month. I will do that for you. So this is good for the person that's kind of like moving to that next level or already is established and just needs the occasional, hey, can you help me out here, Daniel? The next level is for the person that's kind of like stepping off. I would say this is for the person that is coming into their business. Maybe you've started to earn some cash and you want to make it more serious, or you'd want to accelerate because you already, have a job and you're okay to spend some money to get this going. On this level, you get access to everything from the full manual level, but once a month we'll set up a Zoom meeting for 45 minutes. And a lot can happen in 45 minutes. Bring your notes, come on in, show me images, tell me what you're trying to propose, tell me where you're trying to get in your business, and we will work together to build your business in the direction that you want. At this level, if you want additional time, you can also get that. We'll deal with that one-on-one, but this is probably a good place to be as you're starting. You'll also get a transcript of the meeting, so if you're not great at taking notes, I'm trying this transcription service. If it doesn't work out that well, I'll just video it, but I think a transcript's better because you can cut and paste. And I don't really want a whole bunch of videos floating around of me drinking coffee, which is usually what happens when I'm in these Zoom meetings. But anyways, you'll get a transcript of it. At the next level, the person who really wants to hit it, their business is like stuck, or you're just like, maybe you've got a job, you're later in life, and you're just like, I need to hit this hard. This is the $250 level. This is a pretty serious thing. I understand that. But if you are there, this is for you. You get basically everything at the full manual. You get the Zoom meeting that you get with, the level below this. But you also get your own private room in the Discord that's just me and you chatting back and forth. I will check it as often as possible. I put minimum once per week because sometimes I'm traveling. But we can have discussions in this Discord room as things go by. So you can just throw questions in there as you have them, and I'll jump in, once in a while, every few days or whatever, and just throw my answers up there. It'll be a one-on-one place where we can talk to give you full access to me whenever you need it. Basically, you can write the questions whenever you need them. I will get back to you as quickly as possible, minimum once per week. Plus, of course, you get that Zoom meeting, which means that here the Zoom meeting is going to be even more productive because we've been talking all month. So if any of this stuff seems interesting to you, go ahead and check out the Patreon. Again, you don't have to do any of this to join the Discord. I recommend you do that anyways. Jump into the Discord, there's like a role setting, hit photographer. You can get access to the basic chat rooms and stuff if you become an active member in the Discord and you don't try to put a lot of weird memes or inappropriate things to get yourself banned. You will get leveled up. It does it automatically. I set this thing up nicely. I think this is why it's taken so long. It's all automated. It's a safe space for people to come in and discuss and be cool and talk about photography. I do not want a space where people are bashing people because that doesn't fly around here. So hopefully you'll be able to contribute one way or the other, either just joining the Discord and becoming part of the community, or any one of these mentoring levels, or anywhere in between. Let me know if you have questions. Put comments below about what you think. If you want some additional levels or things added, or you think something's not expensive enough and you want to pay me even more money. I mean, I do use a lot of lights, but seriously though, and again, the email level one, by the way, can be really useful for stuff like that. I'm starting a portrait business. What gear should I get? And I can whip up gear lists for you and stuff like that. So again, think about how you might use these things. Let's talk in the comments below. And I thank you for your support. Boy, I felt like a politician when I said that. But anyways, I'll talk to you soon.